Good evening, guys. It is Friday, October, oh my goodness, why can I never remember the date? I think it's the 10th. Let's see, Monday was the 8th. I don't think that's right either. 11th? I'm sorry. Anyway, it's Friday. And the last little bit I had recorded was on Tuesday, which I did not upload because it wasn't that much. So you will be getting today a little bit of that, whatever I had recorded Tuesday. And I did not really record anything on Wednesday or Thursday. There was not much going on. I did, however, yesterday prime my ceiling. Finally, yay! Next step is painting. Today I didn't do any of it. Today's National Mental Health Day, I believe, and I took a mental health day. So I thought I would just pop on real quick so I would have a little bit of footage to get a video up for you tonight. And I will show you, however, the knitting that I've been working on. It has gotten, the temperature has dropped. It's 54 today. I think was the high. It was in the mid to low 40s this morning, which is crazy because we're usually not quite this cool in October here. I know that's probably like normal October temperatures for the rest of the United States, or at least the northernmost states, but it usually stays pretty warm here until mid-November. And we've only been, it's been the upper 80s and 90s like as of last week. So we're coming from that into, we've had this big cold front that came through last night after a lot of rain, and we're actually in a freeze warning for tonight. So I've taken my beautiful mum plant inside so it will not get frostbitten, and maybe I will put it out next week when there's no danger of frost again. We're not supposed to go back up to the 80s or 90s or anything like that crazy hot again. We're supposed to be cooler now from now on, but I think it's going to warm up a little bit from what it is today. Anyway, back to the knitting. So I've got this project I keep in my little Simplicity tote bag. Little pattern girls here, so you can see them. Aren't they cute? Got this a few years ago, I think at Hobby Lobby. It's a Simplicity pattern. Cool canvas tote bag. Anyway, yeah, it is really chilly out here. I'm sitting out here with bare feet and I'm feeling it, and I'm on a metal chair. So I've been working on this. It's a gift. I don't think the person that it is for watches my videos because I don't think they have time. But this is a set of 4 dishcloths. The pattern, I forget the name of the pattern, but it is on KnitPicks. You have to purchase it. I believe it's about $5. And it's done in their dishy cotton. But you can do it in 4 different colors. And here's the first one I had finished. It's like a deep teal color, and then it has the accent stripes right here, but it's a really pretty pattern. And it took me a while to do the first one, but now I'm just like flying through them. So when I get a chance, this is what I work on in the evenings. And then I have finished my second one. I have not cut my yarn off yet, but here's the color of the second one. It's a lighter blue. Please excuse the traffic noise out here. We don't have too much traffic, but when they go by, they usually make a lot of noise. But you can see the stitch pattern on that one. And I am currently working on a green one. This is the jalapeno. This is the color I'm working on now. I think somebody's gonna go by. Hang on. There's a jalapeno. I just started this one last night. And I am using Knit Picks needles because that's what, when I started, all I had was Knit Picks needles. And the accent, here's the accent color. This is their linen. And then I have one more to make after I finish the jalapeno. And this color is called, oh, it's just called blue. Knit Picks Dishy in blue. Pretty. Let me see. I think I have my tags for the other colors if you're interested. Yeah, jalapeno. Kenai. I believe that was the turquoise. And I don't think I have, I don't know, the light blue one might have been Sky. This is it. No, that's Kenai. Bear with me, hang on. Kenai Azure. So Kenai Azure, jalapeno, and blue with linen accents are the colors I'm using. If you're interested in any of those, they're just Knit Picks. Dishy. 100% cotton, I think that is. Yeah, 100% cotton. I'm not a big fan of knitting with cotton, but I've kind of gotten used to these, and they're a lot smoother than some of the cheaper Walmart brand cottons that I have attempted to work with before. I just don't like those at all. So this one is not too bad. Anyway, as I said, I did paint the primer on the ceiling yesterday, so I will go ahead. I took a quick little video just to show you what that looks like down, and I'll insert that here. Hey guys, this is Tuesday, and this really is Tuesday's vlog. I have officially finished sanding the ceiling. I am so excited. I will flip the camera around so you can see what it looks like now. Not much different, but I'll let you see. So this is the drywall, and before, you probably could not have seen that I had all this residue left on it, and I have finished sanding all that down except for maybe a couple little flecks here and there, but that is definitely not going to make any difference in having the paint stick. So I have paused on the woodwork in order to get on with this painting, and I can do finishing up of the woodwork when everything else is done. But I really wanted to get rid of this mess. And speaking of messes, take a look at the floor. This is from the sanding. I didn't put drop cloths down for this. This is basically just going to get wiped up, but it looks like we had a snowstorm in here. And also, since I am going to be refinishing this floor to some extent, excuse me, it's still a little dusty in here. I'm not worried about it too much. Let me flip back around again so I can talk to you. So that is where I am. Tomorrow I'm hoping to get this ceiling painted because I'm really tired of living with this mess, and hopefully physically my body will cooperate with me. It shouldn't be as bad as up and down the ladder 50 times, moving it. I'm definitely getting an upper body workout, and legs too. Doing a lot of legs. This is leg day. And this is Theodore. I don't know why he's up here, but it's dusty up there, and you're going to get it all over you. You don't belong up there. You want to say hi? You say hi? Hi, Theodore. Say hello? No? What are you doing? Theodore. Theodore. Oh, he said something. Sometimes if you talk to him and you say his name, he'll talk to you. Theodore. Theodore. Theodore? Hey, Theodore. You're in the dust. You shouldn't be up there. Cats are crazy. Okay, so what else for today? I don't know. That's probably going to be it. These vlogs the last couple of days have been crazy because I just did not have my camera available, or I forgot something, or one thing or another. But yesterday's would have been good. So Tuesday is going to be another one of these. I don't know. Maybe I'll talk to you again later. Maybe something else will happen. I'll have something to share. But for now, I'm going to say goodbye, and we'll see if I talk to you later or not. Bye. And so the plan is, I've got some things to do this weekend. I am working a little bit on Sunday afternoon at Bell Star, so there won't be a lot of house stuff going on, but I am off on Monday. So Monday is my goal to get back to painting. I should be able to paint the ceiling 1, 2, 3. It did not take me long to do the primer at all. Maybe like an hour at the most. Just to, go around and quick do the cutting in and then roller it on. Hour and a half probably. So we'll see how many coats I need. If I need more than one of the ceiling, the paint, then I can move into doing a little cleanup of the wall surface and then start cutting in the color for the wall. Yay! Finally, I need to get the walls done because I can't do anything until I can move on to the floor, which is going to be a bigger job. So hopefully once I get started on that will not take too long, because I really want this room to be done. The other room shouldn't be as big a deal because I don't have a ceiling to take down. All I have to do is paint. I just have to re-roll my ceiling. It's already done. Just give a freshen up coat and then paint the walls. We do have to take down a lot of the built-ins, but that's not going to be a big deal. Liam can knock those down with the crowbar. 1, 2, 3. And then we will be done with that. And then I can fiddle around with that little woodwork as I want, but at least the room itself will be done. And I will just have that woodwork to do as whenever. It won't affect the functionality of the room, is basically what I'm saying. So that is about all I have for today, and I don't know if there'll be much filming over the weekend. I'm sorry, I'm not the greatest daily vlogger. I just don't have a super interesting life sometimes. Sometimes I just don't pick up the camera because I'm like, this is nothing to show. And my sewing is just with the house the way it is right now, and that is taking all my time. Sewing projects are just not happening. I cannot verify the time or validate. I cannot validate the time to go and leave a mess. So I've got to get this work done first. So hopefully once all this is done, I can get back into sewing, but at least for now, I can knit in the evenings and I will at least have that to share with you. So cooler weather is definitely making me want to hang on to those knitting needles. I just love it. It's back to that weather of just wanting to carry my knitting everywhere. Not that I go too many places, but you know what I mean if you knit. So I will say goodbye for now, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.